Well, I hope you're not getting bored of these Kenwood videos or installations we're doing. It's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio here again. This time we are in a Volkswagen Caddy, and I will show you exactly what we've done in this one. Let's just swing the camera around, lower it down a bit, there we go. So this has had the Kenwood 7-inch flush fit unit, DMX8020 is the model. Let me just give it some juice and turn it on for you so you can have a see what we've done. Gloss black fascia surround, just to match the gloss black surround of the Kenwood. Nice little touch. What we've done here is we've put the blank actually down there in a factory VW official blank. It's quite a nice little touch. Not going to need to plug it in too often because wireless CarPlay, but at least you've got the option there and you can sit your phone in there nice and tidy. Let's turn it on, there we go. So this is the home screen. Push the home button. Let's go for connecting a phone to begin with. I'll show you what Apple CarPlay works like. I'm not an Android user here, so we're going to go with an iPhone. So I'm going to push the telephone button. It's going to make it visible. So I'm going to grab my phone. I'm going to push the settings button. I'm going to go Bluetooth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for it. There you go, straight down the bottom, it's found it. I'm going to hit pair. I'm going to hit allow, and I'm going to hit yes on here. And then it will come up with, do you enable wireless CarPlay? We're going to go use CarPlay, and then we're going to hit yes on here. Wait a few seconds, and then whoosh, there you go, Apple CarPlay all connected up. So push the home button. Let me see if I can get that focused a bit better. There we go. So then, yeah, we can go through your music app, your navigation apps, stream internet radio, you know, the usual things that CarPlay that you've probably seen many times on the channel. I'm not going to go too much into it for you. So if we go to the home button, this has got an optional reverse camera input. We can also put an HDMI in, which you've probably seen on other videos showing you an Amazon Fire Stick fitted. You've got wireless mirroring from a Android phone, not Apple. Otherwise you can do USB mirroring from other devices. You can also support USB video files on the memory stick down here input I've showed you earlier. Yeah, job lot really. Nice and straightforward. Let's go back. And that's pretty much it from us today. We'll keep posting. Hope you don't get too bored, but yeah, got a lot to come on YouTube this year. Speak to you soon. See you later.